Ikenga sị na mmadụ na-abụ unu na-afụ ebe a na pawa fa karịkwa nke ejentụ Yahoo na ofu onye bụ Pilot, ofu onye bụ Modena, fa bụ ndị Ebonyi steeti n'ọfa na-eme ọpụreti n'Ihiala na-atọlụ ndị mmadụ na wel agha unu fụrụ ebe a na-egbu ndị mmadụ na-akwawi n'ọkwọ mmadụ na-aba na ifetezilokwa okwu bụ 200 million anatala onye atụji ofu onye n'ime fa wee gbuo ofu onye alejediri ọkwọ Ikenga n'aka ọ bụrụkwa m ụkọrọ unu ya abịakwa ka unu welụkwa ntị unu nụrụ.
I'm back again with another classic exposition. Now, in Anya here, you got for the first picture. I found you in Anya about Pilot-1 or in Ebonyi State. And the second picture, I have Modestus, or maybe a boy, Ebeje Bundilo, or Ebeje Bundajo, Wafa Hanaza. Na ESN camp. Now, these two criminals, a lot of people call it gentle. Okay, gentle the Yahoo. A lot of people in Wafa, but how can gentle the Yahoo? And I will prove it. These two criminals, no under a commander. Or water. Is either a water or a wanta. Some people are wanta. They are in English, not water. And this water no under sabele. Come on a place anapo obu anyota. And that obu anyota mwelo 6 camps. 6 ESN camps. And among the 6 camps, Welonkana or Ogunsham. That Ogunsham bore the richest camp in the whole of Southeast. And well, the reason why we were the richest. Since the formation of that camp, army, police, navy, or any security are by the place due to the location. The location of the place, Bonamini Court, and every second the place, Bo the bridge did the place, Bo Sisi. So if 4 months and 1 men at that Ogunsha, Bo anytime have for security they may approach, and then go to the bridge. Security among Weze ever hang you cross on weather. And another thing, Madam Jewel Waki. Ogunsha bo the richest camp ever. Upon these boys kidnap again, they can keep you there for 6 months. They feed the girl, the born and they will take go. I feed the child here walking to 200 million patron. And that place, fully well equipped hospital. When I say fully well-equipped hospitals with doctors and nurses need that camp for you to know how rich that camp is. Now, on 30th of April 2024, this Pilot-1 carried out the mother of all attack na military camp in Ihiala. We wore a whole lot of soldiers. Man, that day, the soldiers managed to repair them. They abandoned their Lexus and the other cars and run away. And because of that, it declared Pilot-1 wanted. Mbachua Pilot-1. Pilot-1 were what? Banabera, Ebonyi State. Never na or Eziago in Ebonyi. Team Spider, the team I'm proud of, will be do track by Pilot-1. I track the do Pilot-1. Where chopota na Pilot-1 no Ebonyi. I told Pilot-1 gather Ebonyi State. When you tell Ebonyi State, Pilot-1 able to go some money. Because when we go order kidnappings, and before one bring the money naba bidelo no inanya na this photo if no na aja mud house no if no that's their family house over any single block the bear apart from Nkano Pilot-1 bidolelo now where Pilot-1 was there effective spider memorable Team Spider move over to looted there were transformed into contractors onto na ha bia le chon di help lolo na their site e man ga bia na site all market ji we gwa no matter who you are no matter how smart you think you are Team Spider will outsmart you. It doesn't matter if you like off your phone, throw it away. If you like, change 20 phones. If you like, don't use phone. We follow you physical and spiritual. In a scientific way, we follow you until we catch you. Team Spider, we're transformed into contractor. Be on a site about a Pilot-1 or Ghana. Now I need the workers. They will go now with them, become normal friend with them. Before you know it, chairman on top of Pilot-1 tour. And roll Pilot-1. Do a person there. Pilot-1 arrest. But surprisingly, Amarum by magic. 6 months after I met Pilot-1 arrest, Pilot-1 put her. Amarum they happen here. Amarum which of the security this thing happen. They hand him over to the authority. But 6 months after the arrest, Pilot-1 put her. Where does he have 4 more cap in there with the model. If I found a open each other, when Ndami attack, Ndami they check, oil workers in check, no wow, boo about 4 soldiers, all Pilot-1 and model lay ambush with others, boo Ndami for where kidnap all the oil workers, right? And the where kidnap the oil workers, only negotiate here go na gapo, boo model. This model you are looking at. How negotiating with families of the oil workers when we agree. Now each person, because they kidnapped 8 of them, now each person they are with 20 million. Then times it, 20 million times 8. A man of 100 and something million. If Apple model and the Pilot-1. As if that one is not enough. Can jump back to the same oil company where kidnap one expatriate. Where kidnap where? If the man of probo 200 million, according to one of them, I met Arude and a bandmate. Antano Sinifa will have 200 million, and the other 200 million bo ife bute zero model and the Pilot-1 Jeweso. Because Sapele Bono Pilot-1 Wesia now we carry 100 million. Then the remaining 100 million Nyamana model and dozo get the money. Pilot-1 say for where? No man, not under his command. But Pilot-1 shift from their main camp. Pilot-1 blows a chairman here, commandant here. Pilot-1 junior I went at the morning. And the Pilot-1 Anahato Sapele, because all Malu Sapelo, they are from the same place and they went to the same school. Now, Sapele will say Pilot-1. Now we are no news of a series. Mata na model and the Pilot-1 the bidobo we so. Sapele we say I had done a camp Pilot-1. But every living thing not there. onto fasiweje na kabo Pilot-1 where totoro every living person not there, every movable thing not there, but including Pilot-1. So in anu we bolo into h0o Pilot-1 and onye gburu ebo ezigboto ya mode mana emane egburu Pilot-1 the 200 million disappear amara onye gburu the 200 million mana ma wo funny thing imi fe bata Pilot-1 juweju no manye sapele the money Pilot-1 for na sapele aluliye na like all well no locasia go property digital and the sapele na Pilot-1 see from the same village and they are paying the interest of sapele. The interest of sapele bo oil then at that place Uguanocha. Oil fe sapele juweje couple there. Mbe Pilot-1 nelanya fo na onye abu ego na nwe be fia lota onya ko ji pechiri and on pechila bokwa ni fe gburie and onye bupania bo ezigbo oya bo model. Now I want you to listen. I want to speak to our state government, our governor, the executive governor of Anambra State. Of it for now actually be 200million and that bar 200million. That place Yabo no-go area. Mr. Governor, take it from me. Take it from me. Boss Spider, our lead. Call it. A boy is here. Oh, we fair organ wagon. Matter you put. Oh, when he hem organ wagon. Mezie ogezie makana mpoye here omandi okay mata na Anambra State but my primary duty to secure and safeguard Anambra State but my primary duty and the Igbo in general. So always some certain thing nyogido hana no puta I will not say it online. Mana, Emma, how to contact us. Emma, what to do? Because Obona Barozo Wemba or Manshi. I think I need you this opportunity to give a shout out to our Operation Udogachi members, Ken Makai, for keeping to the law. Anambra State Security Law 2025. I believe in Ane Aneme. If I bore my exposition and then go the back end of the story because the story can well. I'll be with you guys tomorrow.